Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on unknown denominator. The problems we have done so far in trigonometry have had the unknown side appearing in the numerator. At times, the unknown side will appear in the denominator. Let's look at example 1. Here we have a triangle. We have 48 degrees, 14 centimetres, and that's h. And we have to find h to two decimal places. So tan 48 is opposite over adjacent, which is 14 centimetres over h. Multiply both sides by h to give us that line. Divide both sides by tan 48 to give us this line. So we have 14 over tan 48 degrees, that's the value of h. So if we put those values to the calculator, we get that h equals 12.61 centimetres. So now we've found the value of h, where h appeared in the denominator. And it just means that in the calculator we're just doing division instead of multiplication. So division is what we have to do. Example 2. Find k to two decimal places. So in this one, we have cos 24 equals adjacent over hypotenuse. So cos 24 is 29 centimetres over k. Multiply both sides by k, which gives us k times cos 24 is 29. Divide both sides by cos 24. So we get k equals 29 over cos 24. When we put that information in the calculator, k is 31.74 centimetres. So here again we have division, because initially the unknown side appeared in the denominator. Example 3, find h to two decimal places. Sine 46 is opposite over hypotenuse, so sine 46 is 38 centimetres over h. Multiply both sides by h, which gives us that line. Divide both sides by sine 46 degrees, which gives us that line. When we put that information into the calculator, we get h equals 42.83 centimetres to two decimal places. Another way of doing these type of problems for the tan ratio is by using the complementary angle. This places the unknown side back in the numerator. So basically you can only do this for tan, and I'll show you how. So we have to find w, that value there. Two decimal places. We're given 32 degrees. Now if we were to use the 32, tan 32 would be 28 on w. So w would appear in the denominator. However, here we can use the complement of 32. So in other words, we use that angle there, which is 58 degrees. And the reason it's the complement of 32 is because when you add them together, they give you 90 degrees. So let's use 58 degrees, and let's have a look what happens. Tan 58 equals opposite over adjacent. And that puts the unknown letter in the numerator. So if we multiply both sides by 28 centimetres, we get w equals 28 times tan 58. We put that information in the calculator, and w is 44.81 centimetres to two decimal places. So this video has shown us how to find an unknown side when it appears in the denominator. And for the tan ratio, if you use the complement of the given angle, that's if the unknown side will appear in the denominator, just use the complement, and that will make the unknown side appear in the numerator.